Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting Windows ready, literally. On Windows, open the two apps you need, then press and hold the window title and snap it to one side using Win plus left or drag to the left edge. On Mac OS, click and hold the green button and choose Tile Window to left of screen. Once done, select the second app for the opposite side. Make sure resolution and scaling are unchanged so both panes share usable space immediately. Now refine the split. Click and drag the divider between the two windows to set a precise width, or use keyboard snaps for exact half, 1/3, or 2/3 with Win plus arrow sequences. On Mac OS, adjust by dragging the green button again. Once done, organize focus. Use in-app shortcuts to jump panes and pin any toolbars you need. This reduces mouse travel. Make sure both apps refresh correctly and that text remains readable at chosen scale. Finish by making the layout persistent. Use virtual desktops or workspace features to save this arrangement. On some apps, you can restore previous window positions. If snapping fails, check display scaling, detached monitors, or that the app supports split mode. Some legacy apps do not. Once done, restart the window manager or reboot if things act odd. If a problem repeats, reproduce the steps and note settings so you can fix it faster next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.